All right, everybody. Hey, I'm here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. This is a property on East 88th Street. It is a vacant foreclosure. The borrower passed away 2 years ago. That's the last payment. Next payment due is September of 2024. You've got a car in the driveway. Based on the person from the HOA that I talked to while pulling up, that's the deceased car. The house is basically vacant. Most of the stuff has been pulled out of there. There's a layer of dust throughout it. It's got nice wood or laminate floors, nice paint job. It looks very nice inside. The real big issue is to be the empty pool in the backyard that's drained, but it's got some nice decorative. It doesn't look like it'd be too bad of work because there is water in the bottom of it, but it's just kind of empty. But to give you the numbers on this, it's a BPO value of $356,360. They owe $394. Don't know what the bank would let this go for, but I'd be willing to bet they probably go somewhere south of 300. So maybe you can get in here. Roof looks good because it's relatively newer built. Built in 1989, 2852 square foot, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Looks like a office suite in the backside by the pool as well for you. So this would be a pretty, I think if you can pick this up for $275, $250, you've got $100,000 in equity, and I think you'd have a whole lot less than that. And it could be, depending on the days in the market, in this market, could be a quick equity play. Buy it, finish foreclosure in 6 months, and turn around and list it and sell. Have a great day.